The story of Albert Einstein, whose mind was filled with unparalleled passion for science, mathematics, and theories, is a tale of extraordinary preparation, perseverance, and ultimate success. Initially, Einstein's childhood was not marked by exceptional readiness. He was a lazy and comfortable student who struggled to grasp the lessons. Despite the constant urging of his family and loved ones to work hard, Einstein often dismissed their advice. When Einstein's family realized the challenges he was facing, they decided to send him to a special school for reform. There, Einstein's teachers provided him with a unique education that could help unlock the immense potential hidden within his mind. Under the guidance of his teachers, Einstein underwent a transformation. He began to immerse himself in his studies, fueled by a newfound curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. With relentless dedication, he delved into complex scientific concepts and mathematical principles. As time went on, Einstein's genius started to shine. He made groundbreaking discoveries and formulated revolutionary theories that would reshape the world of science. His most famous work, the theory of relativity, brought him global recognition and established him as one of the greatest scientific minds in history. Einstein's story teaches us the value of perseverance and the power of nurturing our innate talents. It reminds us that success is not always immediate and that the path to greatness often requires dedication, hard work, and the belief in our own abilities. Through his journey, Einstein exemplifies the importance of resilience and the transformative impact it can have on our lives.